G'day Beaks and Beaks to be. Are you curious about learning more about beekeeping? I have been a beekeeper for over 55 years and rearing queen bees since the 1980s.
When I met Alan through my local beekeeping club, I knew nothing about bees.
This particular stand is our standard stand that we've had for the last 15 odd years. It's very simple to disassemble and it's very easy to carry to the next job when necessary.
So the beauty of this type of stand is that the two legs that can support your full triple honey hives you can carry in one hand, and then your rails you can move in the other. And because of the design of these, when you're out on site, easy to set up, easy to pack up, and they're self-locking, which we'll demonstrate now. Make sure you have these legs vertical when you put them in. Place them up. And then to lock, splay the legs. And you can easily put one honey hive this end with a work platform, and your other honey hive the other end. And then to disassemble, simply lift, push the rails in, and you're free to go.